Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to share a CapCut project with someone else while keeping all the media files intact. To get started, open CapCut and load the project you want to share, then click on an empty area of the timeline. Head to the top right corner, select Details, then Modify, and enable Copy Media to Project so all the files are saved directly inside the project folder, and click Save. Next, locate the project on your computer by opening the Start menu, searching for Run, typing %local app data, and pressing Enter. From there, open the CapCut folder, go to User Data, then Projects, and find your project folder, confirming the name in CapCut if needed. Right-click the project folder, copy it, and paste it onto your desktop. After that, right-click the folder again, select Compress, and create a zip file to make it easier to share. Upload this zip file to a cloud service like Google Drive, then right-click it, choose Share, and either enter an email address or copy the share link. Once the recipient downloads and extracts the zip file, they just need to move the project folder back into the CapCut projects directory, and the project will appear in CapCut with all media included. And that's it. That's how you can easily share a CapCut project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.